My name is Jimmy. I am a service advisor and I've worked here at Carfix for a little bit over 3 years now. Carfix is a completely different kind of automotive experience as far as working for them. Everything from how engaged the support structure is here. You know, I know that if I have something going on, either professionally or personally, I can talk to Mike about it and he'll be there for me and he will help solve that and help make a resolution for that, just because that's the kind of guy that he is. When I first started working here at Carfix, I was not the greatest at effectively communicating to the clients. I do, however, have a passion to become better, to better myself personally as well as professionally. And so I asked Mike for help, and there were numerous things that Mike has done. For instance, Carfix sent me to California for an entire week for service advisor training with the top rated service advisor training company in America. When I came back, I expressed that I wanted to get more and more training, so he actually sent me to Dale Carnegie Institute, where I took a master's course through Dale Carnegie's books that covered things like how to win friends and influence people, as well as how to start living and stop worrying. And the process still has not stopped. As many times as I go up and I say, hey, I want more training, I want to get better at this, I want to get better at that, Mike and Jonathan figure out a way to get the people that work here to get better. My favorite thing about working at Carfix is this legitimately is a family to me. I come here and I don't have coworkers. I have friends that I want to help succeed, and they want to help everybody else succeed as well. So it's a team, but we are very close-knit and we've got each other's backs.